Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be walking you through an easy guide on how to add order bump to stand store checkout. So here's a simple workaround and a straightforward guide on how you can easily add bump to stand store checkout. So let's dive into it. So one of the first things to do is to go to your dashboard and go to the product section. So from your dashboard, click to product to view all the items you're selling. So from there, you have to select a product. So just the main product where you want to add the order bump, the extra offer shown during the checkout. So from there, scroll down or look for the checkout option or the order bump section in the product settings. So after that, you have to add the bump. You have to add an order bump. So click add order bump and select a related product or bonus offer from the existing product. Then enter a discounted or a small price to encourage customers to add it during checkout. And after that, you have to write a short description. So add a short and catchy sentence that explain why this extra item is valuable. For example, add this bonus guide for just $5 or $10. Depends on how you want your description to look like. And after that, click the save button or update your product. So your order bump will now appear on your checkout page. And here's a very quick tip for that: offer something small but valuable like bonus ebook, template, or mini courses, and that can attract more customers to your store. And that's how you can easily add order bump to stand store checkout. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.